Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. Today here we are with a plate decorative video. So you can see at first we have cutted some kiwis and decorated it on the plate as the leaves of the coconut tree. Now we will use 2 bananas to make the trunk of the tree. You can see how we are adding the texture with the knife. And this is ready. The tree is ready. Next we will make the beach with the oranges. You can see we are cutting it into small pieces to make the base part, and we have already made the base, and you can see your beach is ready. Next we are using a watermelon and we are making a rat from it. You can see how we have added cherries to make the eyes. And next we will use some cucumber and we will cut it into small slices and we will decorate it on the plate, and we will make a lotus from it. You can see we are making the petals of the lotus, and now we will make one more to make it look better, to not look like an empty plate. Next we will make the stem, and again we are using some cucumber slices to make the leaves of the lotus. You can see how beautiful it is looking now, and your plate is ready. You can see after adding some more leaves we will add 2 cherries in the flower. Now we are using a radish and we are folding it. You can see we are cutting small slices of it and we will give it a look of a nest. We will use some tomato in it. Next here we are using some papaya and we are cutting it into small slices to make the same flower kept on the table. You can see we are making different petals with different parts and we are attaching it with each other to make it look good. Next we will use the big cherry and you can see it is ready. Now here we are using an apple and we are cutting it from the upper part. You can see we are cutting the upper part, and after cutting it we will make a coconut shape from it. You can see how we are cutting it, and we have made the flower. Now we will peel out the inside part and we'll keep it again, and next we will make the flower stand on the side. Next again we are making an octopus, or you can say a crab, but yes, it is looking like an octopus. So here we are using some onions to make the octopus. Now we will use 2 cucumbers to make the eyes. You can see it is ready now. Next here we are using some sugar lime. You can see how we are peeling out, and after peeling out it is looking like a flower, and next we will add the cherry in between. Again we are using some papaya to make the same flower look as kept on the table. We are cutting it into small parts and we are folding it, and you can see the flowers are ready after giving the folds in between, and yes, it is completed. Now here we are using a dragon fruit and we are making some small butterflies from it. You can see how we have cutted it and folded it from the between, and your butterfly is ready now. Next we are using some onion leaves and we are giving it a look of bamboo. So now we will make an insect from the apple. You can see we have cutted small slices of apple to make the wings of the insect, and now the body with the big ears. We will cut some more slices to make the ears, and your dragonfly is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video.